Just going to continue this unboxing. I was a bit hasty with wanting to oil it. So the sheath, I'm going to show you how this fits. I've just had a quick look and it fits so snug. Very nicely. And we supplied you with this, looks like leather. So I'm going to put that on after I've oiled it. Nope. What we've got there then? So I'm just going to put some bit of raw linseed on. I should bring out the grain even more and protect it from the elements. So raw linseed on it. Oh yeah. Maybe you can see that. You see where I put the linseed? It's going to protect it. If it ever gets wet or damp. And it's really bringing out the grain. That's the side I haven't done. Yeah, it's much nicer. Looking forward to putting it to use. I think I need a couple of spoons, I think. See a couple of spoons in my future. There you go.